Howdy folks, Isaac Martinez here with Blake Full and Water Dodge in Eastland. Just wanted to jump on here real quickly. Currently sitting inside a 2024 Wagoneer, and I wanted to quickly show you guys how you can actually get the Wagoneer to park itself for you. So let's get right into it. And folks, as I had mentioned, this thing will park itself for you, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration. What you'll want to do is hit this icon right here, right next to the hazards, and it'll actually pull up which type of parking. So right now it's set for parallel, but we want to do perpendicular, and we actually want to park on the left hand side. So what we're going to do is just put our left turn signal on, and it'll actually switch it on over. And then what you'll want to do is just drive on in, and right now it is searching, and it'll give you an indication as when to stop. Keep moving forward and stop. Remove hands from wheel and shift to reverse. You just let go of your brake. Wait for steering wheel to complete. Move forward. Stop. Put this bad boy in reverse. Stop. Complete. And you are perfectly inside the lines, and you had to do absolutely nothing. So there you guys have it, folks. Super cool, super sweet, super quick. Hopefully that helped. If you guys have any questions or concerns, or would like to know anything else about the Wagoneer, be sure to give me a shout at 254-434-7212, or stop on by 9610 Interstate Highway 20 here in Eastland, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you guys may have. Thank you.